In Chapter R, we talked about the patch function. We can edit the name of the fixture in the Add Fixture page. Actually, when we have completed the patch, we can also use the Edit button to modify the fixture name, and we can also use the console graffiti function, graffiti painting on fixtures. For example, I want to modify the name of the beam light of line E or the graffiti beam light. We find the Edit button on the keyboard. Click it. Then select the lamp we need to modify. Box selection, don't click. If we click on it, we can only edit a single fixture. After entering the Edit Fixture interface, we can see here that there is a name option. After clicking on the name, we can click on the location of this dialog box to rename the fixture. We can use the pre-made names, or directly name the fixture according to the actual situation. When we have finished naming, click Enter to apply. There is also image display function next to it. After we click in, we can select the picture and the graffiti drawing. We select this Open Graffiti board. Then after opening the board, on this interface, we can use this brush to draw graffiti. For example, the beam light. We can manually draw a beam. Then click the Application button. And on this drawing board interface, we have some other features. For example, this position is brush. The area below the brush is the eraser. We can use it. Erase the extra part. Further down, this is the thickness setting of the stroke. Applies to both brush and eraser. The last one. It is used to adjust the color of the brush. For example, we can change to another color. Then in the upper right corner, there are two functions. The first one is cleaning. Can clear all the contents on the current canvas. Next to it is the filling. It is to let the color we choose cover the entire canvas. After we click on it, we will find that the selected color becomes the background color of the canvas. At this time, we can also change the color of our brush, then doodle on the new background. When we leave this interface, we found that these lights originally had only names but now had graffiti displayed. Then we return to the Edit Fixture interface. Still the same operation. Click the Edit button first, then select the fixture. Then there is a Select from Folder button next to Open Graffiti board. After we click on it, we can choose some pre-made pictures in the system to fill the background of the fixture. The choice of pictures depends on our own needs. In this current show, we can see the graffiti content we drew before. If I want to choose my previous graffiti, for example, this beam of my line R, then I can select the fixture using the Edit button. Just choose Select from Folder, then select Current Show. Call my graffiti. This is the editing function of fixture. When we finish editing, if I just want to display the image, do not display the original text, or if only text is displayed without images, then I can go to the name or picture displayed here. Turn off the display function. This is the lighting editing function of the console. Next steps. Let's talk about the move function of the fixture. The movement of fixture is mainly used to adjust the position of fixtures on the fixture page. For example, the current par fixture. They are all piled together. I want them to be arranged according to where I actually put them. Or, like my line E-beam light, they are divided into upper and lower, 10 above, 10 below. Now they are all together. It is not very convenient for me to choose fixtures. Then I can use the move function. Let the 10 fixture behind, Put it in a separate line below. Then let's find the Move button on the keyboard. Click. Select the fixture we need to move, 11 to 20. Remember when we chose. Be sure to choose according to the order in which we actually place them, because the order of the fixtures is related to the order we chose at the beginning. Once we have selected these lights, we want to move the fixture to the empty space in the row below. Click on the blank space. At this time, a pop-up window will appear. Let's choose how the light moves. There are 1 ways to move. First, home position. It means to move according to the original position. For example, it was originally horizontal. Then let's move over and click home position. The fixtures are arranged horizontally. If the fixtures are arranged vertically, the fixtures are vertical. We move over and click vertically. This is based on our personal needs. Our console also has horizontal, vertical, reverse horizontal, and reverse vertical arrangements. Now, we just click home position. The fixtures will move down. We can also continue to select them and move them to the previous row. This will facilitate the control of lighting fixtures on site. This is the move function of the fixtures.